What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to create a new board on Pinterest. So Pinterest boards are a place where you can save your pins or save pins that you like on Pinterest. So to do so, let's go to the profile, click on your profile picture here at the top right corner. It'll open your profile where you can see all your pins that you have saved and your boards and everything. You can create a new board by clicking on the plus icon here at the right. I don't know if you can see it. If I scroll down, at the top right of your boards here. So if I click on the plus icon here, it'll ask me if I want to create a new pin or idea pin or board. Here I want to create a new board. Here it'll ask me to name the board, so I can name it anything I want. And if I want to keep it a secret so only me can see it, and then click on create, and my board will be created. And when I open a pin that I like and I click on the save option, this board will appear and I can save pins to it.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.